let's just set this down right there. Am I good? Okay. What's up, Zach? I'm Zach32452. Whatever. Okay, what's up? It's Zach32452, and I'm saying hello to all my fans. And I got like 2. Okay. For one, I'm really excited because I'm wearing this suit and tie. I love suits and ties. I had to wear it for a history project for school, and I got to wear it all day at school, so it was a lot of fun. And not only am I excited about wearing this suit and tie, but I'm also excited about a lot of new videos that are going to be coming to Zach32452 very soon. Like, one of them is celebrating one of my favorite holidays, Halloween, where I went to Old Town Kissimmee. It's like a theme park. And another one is going to be coming very soon. It's going to be a Christmas video, but that's later on. And I have a whole bunch of videos in between, like an attempt at bloopers 2, which quite a lot of people on Facebook have been asking me to make. So I'm going to have Corey come over and we're going to film the second half of it. We've already filmed the first half and it's been edited. Also, some news for MV On Location. That's my music video on location channel. Should have heard about that by now. Subscribe down below if you would like to. And a lot of new videos are going to be hitting up MV On Location too. I have 2 music videos that are being edited right now. They are taking forever. My computer does not want to edit them. I don't know why. But it is really frustrating. But I am doing my best to edit this video. And I'm going to get McDonald's up. And then my second video, which has not been announced yet. But both of these, we spent countless hours filming them. And they're going to be up on MV On Location very soon. So make sure to check out MV On Location. And stay tuned to Zach32452. I'm going to have a lot of new videos coming soon to you. Make sure you stay here. And also, all my new people, subscribe. Subscribe. I cannot say that 3 times, but please subscribe. It's up there. I don't know which way I'm pointing, but it's somewhere up there. Just please subscribe, add me as a friend, send me a message, comment, like, and rate, and all that stuff. Please. Zach32452. And now I gotta figure out how to turn this thing off.